So I support this bill because of the extension of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe reservation in Parliament and Assembly are extended for another 10 years. While being jubilant about the extension of the period, I am also compelled to ask a few questions directed to the constituents of the House. Why were the reservation granted in the first place? Even when the nation gained independence from the British, the discrimination against the oppressed classes as untouchability, harassment, humiliation, and lack of access to the prosperity and education plagued the nation oppressed class. Untouchability has been practiced for more than 3,000 years. The tragic condition was left unresolved as caste system, and Brahmanism ensured the condition remains deplorable. What happened even after 70 years of independence? Despite the following galaxy of acts, a force. The safeguard provided scheduled castes do the follow board heads. Social safeguard Article 17, 23, 24, 25 2b. Economic safeguard Article 23, 24 and 46. Education culture safeguard Article 15, 4. Political safeguard Article 243, 330 and 332. Service safeguard Article 16.4, Article 16.4a and 335. And legislation in place that are Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955, Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention Atrocity Act 1989 and rules there. The Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Amendment Act 2015 and the Scheduled Castes Scheduled Tribes Prevention Atrocities Amendment Act Rules 2016 and acts the regulation for the different states of prevention, alienation and land belongings to Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. What is the situation, sir? I am asking Honorable Minister. Over the decade of 2016, crime rate against Dalits rose by 25% from 16.3 crimes per 10,000 Dalits reported in 2006 to 20.3 crimes in 2016 according 2016 National Crime Record Bureau NCRB data the latest available. Cases pending police investigation for both marginalized groups has risen 99% and 50% respectively, while the pendency of courts has risen by 50% and 28% scheduled caste respectively, madam. The conviction rate for crime against STs have fallen by 2 percentage points and 7 percentage points respectively to 26% and 21% from 2006 to 2016. This is the fact, madam. The scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are facing this country. According to the DOPT report following the reservation policy so far, yes, total number of SC/STs grade on service has already touched 5%, though they constitute 14% and 7% of the population respectively, madam. The government recruits only 3.5% the total jobs available in the country. So what is going the present situation, madam? Madam, the government is going to privatize all the public undertakings. So what is the loser? Who is the loser? Loser is the scheduled caste scheduled tribes, because private sector there is no reservation, and also the scheduled caste, the contract labour and outsourced agency also there is no reservation. Now everybody can think the situation of scheduled caste scheduled tribes, they are living condition in this country, sir. So therefore, the government should realize the real situation of the scheduled caste scheduled tribes in this country. Their living condition is very bad. They are in the political and social situation of the economic situation of the Dalit communities are very low conditions, sir. So therefore, madam, so we have to improve our position. So the unemployment in the private sector, there is no reservation for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So nobody is given employment to private sector for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Now the private sector is coming up. The public sector is going down. So who will look after the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes? Madam, the long pending demand from the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, different organizations demanding for the reservation for private sector. That also not fulfilled so far, madam. Therefore, in judicial system, Honorable Minister is the Law and Justice Minister. What is the reservation in Supreme Court and High Court? There is no reservation in Supreme Court and High Court.
Kirit Solanki ji.
Sir, I'm completing. So therefore, I'm completing 1 minute. I'm completing. Therefore, I would like to request Honorable Minister. I'm supporting the extension of the reservation for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes another 10 years in Assembly and Parliament. At the same time, you have to improve the living condition of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in this country. Thank you.